What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing should you get the Note 10 versus the S10 Plus. Stay tuned. Alright, so like I usually do, I go to Android Central. I'm going to leave a link down below of this article and I see what I could talk about in my next video or down the line. But I came along this article is what it says: Galaxy Note 10 versus the S10. Which one should you buy? I'm gonna go down the specs and then I am going to tell you my opinion about the both of the phones. Alright, so y'all can see right there the S10 and the Note 10. The S10 comes with the Android 9 Pie, also the Note 10. Display, this is where it comes a little different. One is 6.1 and the other one is 6.3. Both AMOLED display, but the S10 comes with is a 1440p and the Note 10 is 1080p. Can you tell the difference? Maybe, maybe not. Let's keep it going. Both gonna have the Snapdragon 855, the graphics, the 640. Both of them actually gonna have the 8 gigs. One is gonna come storage option 128 and 512 gigabytes, and the S10 is gonna have that. The Note 10 is gonna have 56 gigabytes. One of the major difference between, my opinion, is the S card, the SD card. S10 is gonna have it. The Note 10 is not gonna have it. Same camera configuration, 12 megapixel for wide, 12 for telephoto, and 16 for ultra view. All right. Same front camera is gonna be 10 megapixel, on both of them. Let's see. Fingerprint display, Wi-Fi, AX, 5.0, Bluetooth. Another big difference. One is gonna have the headphone jack, and the other one's not. The S10 is gonna have it, and the Note 10 is not gonna have it. Another big difference, a lot of difference. One is gonna have 3400 milliamp battery with 5 watt of charging, fast charging, and the other one is gonna have 35 with 25 watt charging. It's gonna be a difference. That's 10 watts of difference in charging speed. Both of them are gonna have AP68 diameter. One is gonna weigh more than the other one. The S10 is gonna have 157 grams as weight, and the Note 10 is gonna have 168 grams of weight. 11 gram difference. Probably not even gonna tell. Maybe, maybe not. I know for sure that the Note 10 is gonna come out with a red variant. The S10 is not gonna have it. Here or there. Pricing. One is gonna be $1,000. The Note 10 is gonna be $1,000 versus the S10 is gonna be 700. Yes, it's a difference. Big difference. That's $300 difference for almost not so much of a difference when it comes. But I'm gonna give you my opinion of it. I'm gonna leave this link down below. Y'all can read into it, figure it out. This, down the third. Alright, when it comes to my opinion and it comes to the S10 and the Note 10, the Note 10 has a lot of advantage that people don't come to think about into you in that predicament. Yes, the S10 is much cheaper, has almost the same spec as the Note 10, but the Note 10 is more business orientated. What I mean by that is a lot of people need signatures from different places. Like, let's say you're in real estate and you want to sign off on something, you want the customer to sign off on something, you have the S Pen there to sign off. Yeah, you can do the same thing with the S10, but it's not like, it's not there. Like, you're not gonna think about it like that quick unless you prepare about it. But the Note 10 is more for that. The Note 10 is more for like schoolwork. You want to write something down real quick, you can write it down. You don't have to type it in, and also it could transfer your handwritten to text format, which is big news. Another thing is, I think the charging is gonna be playing a major when it comes to the difference on the phone. When, let's say for example, I'm just throwing it out. Let's say from 0 to 50, you could charge the S10 in 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Maybe with the Note 10, you could do it for 25 or 30 minutes. That's a big difference when it comes to time. You can't buy back time. That's the only thing. It looks very futuristic. I think it will hold value, and like the Note 9 is still a dope phone to get even right now. But the 10, Note 10 is definitely a upgrade. You could upgrade. You be pretty impressed with the upgrade. Yeah, it's not the same size or the battery, but that 855 Snapdragon is very quick. Is is basically future proof until the next Note come out, which is a big deal. Me personally, if you don't have to, if you are a basic person and you just go to Instagram, Facebook, send a couple of texts here and there, just get the S10. But if you want to be a little bit different than everybody else, it looks nice. In my opinion, it looks way better than the Note 10 looks way better than the S10. Just for that dot, the look of it, for me, it's very square. It's not so much as has a lot of circular angle on the phone like the S10. The Note 10 should be, you should be good. You should be good, and it's gonna make you use. Believe it or not, you might say, "Oh, I don't use the S Pen," but you're gonna have the urge to use it in certain aspect of it. If you have kids, you can have them drawing things in there, kill time. Here, take it, leave me alone. One of them things, but it all depend on you. If you really gonna use the S Pen, then get the Note 10. It's not bad. If you're not gonna use it, the S Pen, get the S10. The S10, yeah, you're gonna see a little size difference. Not gonna be a big deal. Or you could do another thing. Give it a couple months. Let them prices go down, and you could get it for the same price. Maybe for the same price as an S10. It could happen just because Android has a big depreciation curve compared to um Apple phones. You know, Apple just one phone. Android there's multiple phones, so it's gonna depreciate down the road. Probably you could get it in 2 months from now for 700, maybe 800, or maybe $700, which is not bad. Me personally, I'm getting the Note 10 Plus. I need an upgrade. I haven't had a new phone for the past 2 years. It's gonna be. I'm going from Apple. I'm gonna do another video on going from Apple to Android. A big difference. Why I'm doing it. This on a third. That's my opinion. You let me know in the comment below what you think about it. Should you get the S10 versus the Note 10, or get the Note 10 instead of the S10? Let me know down the comment below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you can, share my video with other people so other people know about Kartoon Review and how his opinion might help you decide in certain things. Just let them know, share it, do anything that can help my channel. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.